What's happening, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. It's a beautiful day, Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. We're here living the dream at Drive the Coast. We got a 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible. Absolutely gorgeous convertible. Love this car so much. One of the most desirable years of the Cutlass, and this one is an awesome example. Come with me while I do a little walk around video. We'll walk around, show the inside, outside, the Rocket 350 motor that's in there, as well as the turbo hydromatic 350 3-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the car, beautiful, kind of a maroon burgundy paint, really nice body panels, straight down the side, couple little blemishes. It's a driver car, not afraid to hop on the highway and let it loose, but really nice panels. All the trim work is there. Nice set of Magnum 500 wheels, sets the car off really nicely with BF Goodrich radial TA white letter tires. Great stance to it. It's got a brand new soft top, rear bumper, beautiful with the dual exhaust coming out the back. Looks super nice. Got that distinctive Oldsmobile sound from the Rocket 350 motor. Like I said, all the trim is in excellent condition. Shines up really nicely along the side. Love the distinctive Oldsmobile emblems here. They did such a nice job on that. The Oldsmobile was a luxury line back in the day. Chevy's was a little more mid-tier. Oldsmobile was the higher line, had more options, more distinctive features. This is an original AC car, and the AC is blowing cold. It's not gonna freeze you out, but it is blowing cold. Also has power steering and power brakes. Love to see that. Just really easy to drive this car. Grill's in awesome condition, same with the bumper. You can see it's got no pitting on it, no dents, just beautiful condition. Moving on to the inside, we got beautiful bucket seats, center console, wood grain on the dash. Door panels are also in excellent condition. Retractable seat belts, 2-point. Original steering wheel from 1969. Courtesy lights turning on when you open the door. Love to see that kind of stuff. The details that the previous owner did to make this car what it is right now. This Oldsmobile Cutlass has a working 8-track player. Let's have a listen. Right now we got the Beach Boys in. Love it. This car comes with, in the trunk, I'll show you, comes with 2 boxes of 8 tracks. That's a bonus. Let's fire it up. Let's check out the motor. So this is our original Rocket 350 motor. You got power steering and power disc brakes up front. You can see the power booster, as well as the dual reservoir master cylinder. Over here you got your original air compressor that I said, working air conditioning, working like it should. Has been converted to R134A, which is an excellent upgrade here. Original Rocket 350 air cleaner. The whole engine bay is as it would have been from the factory. Power steering, power brakes, and a power top. Demonstrate that now. Works awesome. Really nice, just to hit the button and it goes up and down. And it's really pretty fast. Hit it, put it down at a stoplight. Ready to rock and roll. Now that we know everything about the car, let's see how she drives. Hope you enjoyed the walk around video, guys. We want you to be fully informed about all the cars that we have in stock, their flaws, what's great about them, as well as having confidence in buying from our dealership. Most of our sales are sight unseen, but we want to be able to show you everything about the cars. We do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available with only 10% down. Finance that out to about 180 months. Puts the payment on this car around $350 a month. If I can earn your business on this car, give me a call. Let's get it in your garage. Thanks so much for watching.